So your A/B tests are falling flat? Let's dig into the psychology behind what really works. We've all been there, right? You run a test and nothing. Why do they so often flatline? Well, it's pretty simple. Users aren't logical robots. They're driven by psychology. The key is to tap into those mental shortcuts, cognitive biases that drive our decisions. Okay, let's jump in. Here are 3 powerful ones you can use in your very next test. All right, first up, loss aversion. Basically, we hate losing way more than we love winning. Focus on what users might lose, and you could see a boost of 20 to 30%. Wow. Next up, social proof. Think of it this way. When we're unsure, we just follow the herd. And get this, adding the right kind of social proof can boost sales by a whopping 40%. And last but not least, scarcity. If there's not much of something, we just want it more. Those low stock alerts, they can pump up sales by a staggering 25 to 50%. Okay, theory is great, but how does this actually play out in the real world? Let's check it. The challenge was this e-commerce store. Great stuff, good prices, but hardly any add to cart clicks. So instead of just changing button colors, they went straight for these psychological triggers. And the result? A mind-blowing 120% jump in clicks. That's psychology at work. This whole thing points to a huge mistake that so many of us make when we're testing. So here's the deal. Stop testing tiny things in a vacuum. Test the whole psychological experience. From now on, before every single test, just ask yourself this one simple, powerful question. Because the best tests don't just change what people see. They change how people feel. So, test smarter, not harder. What human truth are you going to explore in your next test?